Hey guys, hope you're having crazy awesome week. So last week we actually went over creating staff members with attendance privileges. If you missed that video, you can click the link above and just go watch that. It's super simple, it's super easy, and you can come back here and watch this segment. It will make a lot more sense if you do it. This week we'll be adding onto that attendance video by showing you how to check the monthly attendance of your staff members. That way you can check timesheets and pay them accordingly. So let's just dive right in. Before we even check the monthly attendance of a staff member, let's open an attendance record for demonstration purposes. I won't be taking you through the step-by-step process as we already covered this in the previous video. Okay, cool. Since that is complete, let's continue. Log into admin.TallOrder.mobi. You would select your tenant. Then you would click on the login icon. You would select reports from the list on the left and scroll down to select shifts. You would select the second tab called Attendance. Then you would select the month that you would like to check the attendance. If you would like to check the attendance of a particular day, you are able to do so by selecting the day from the drop-down calendar above. This is not just limited to monthly attendance. Once you've selected the month, click Go. If no particular staff member is selected, it would display all the staff members and those that are still active. Pretty simple, right? And that's how easy it is to check your staff members' monthly or daily attendance. If you have any further queries, please do not hesitate to drop a comment below and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Don't forget, drop a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. From me, Jaleel, till next week, have a great day.